My all-time favorite style is a streetwear. So what is streetwear? Well, let's talk about it in my new streetwear series.
You said that you needed me like a car.
Streetwear is a stylized way of dressing that draws influences from various subcultures like hip-hop, skateboarding, graffiti, DIYing. So from these subcultures, we express ourselves through wearable art. And this wearable art is very stylized, very individualistic, which is why I really love it. So let's get into the elements of street style. In this video, we're going to talk about one element of street style, which is self-expression. So you wake up in the morning, how do you want to express yourself for that day? What can you possibly wear to emit the mood that you're feeling for that day? So I always say self-expression leads to individuality in your dress. So let's explore that. So there are two garment pieces that you can use to really elevate the individualized style. I'm going to be reviewing a streetwear brand called Genesis Garb. They have some cool Letterman jackets, hoodies, graphic t-shirts. So the first two key pieces that we are going to review and that you need to really elevate that individual style is a Letterman jacket and a graphic t-shirt. So let's take a look. The Letterman jacket is a hot item for 2023-2024 fashion season, and you have to get yours. Genesis Garb has really cute Letterman jackets that you can actually individualize yourself and go in and create your own patches and things to put on a jacket. But let me show you the one that they sent me that I just absolutely love, and we're going to style it and show you how you can wear this Letterman jacket and get so much use and wear out of it so you can express your own individual style.
So let's get into this Letterman varsity jacket and see why it's a key wardrobe staple for streetwear style. So our varsity jacket typically includes several key elements. The jacket usually has ribbed cuffs, collar, and waistband. The black and white rib trims on the Genesis Garb are soft and comfortable and offer a perfect contrasting trim to the jacket. Typically, a varsity jacket is made of wool and leather, but this is a really good quality vegan leather and polyester. The jacket is constructed well and it is fully lined. I absolutely love the contrasting color of the snaps, and their snaps work really well. Overall, this is a really nice jacket. The appliques are beautifully made and well applied. I love the color combination of all the appliques, and like I said, you can create your own and customize your own on the website. But I really love this jacket, and I'm gonna let you check out all the cool appliques, and I'm gonna go get my stuff ready so that I can show you guys how to style it.